So I left a lot of money on the table with this trade. It kind of stinks. It stings to come back and see this, but whatever. But that was my AMD trade. This is my not so great trade today at WBA. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bear Bull Traders here to do my recap. I traded AMD today. It was on my main watch list. I didn't really love anything this morning. I honestly thought it could have been a trade-free day for me. I really did not love anything, but luckily Jared and a few others in the chat were trading AMD this morning, and I was watching it. It was very heavy at the open, and then I traded it as a 5-minute opening range breakdown. As you can see, the first 5-minute candle was very weak, closed below the VWAP. Really nice bear candle. It just blew through S4, came back, retested the VWAP after the first 5 minutes. Normally I wait on a new 1-minute low to take it short for an opening range breakdown, but it just looked so heavy. It felt heavy, so I went ahead and kind of jumped the gun and took a position right here. And my stop was above the VWAP, and then when it did make a new 1-minute low, I added to my position and then partialed pretty heavily through this 113.73 level. And as you can see, it came down here, didn't quite get to my next target area, put up an engulfing 5-minute candle, had a 15-minute doji candle and a new high, and I ended up exiting the rest of my position. I normally keep 10% of my position to run, and it depends on, I guess, the day, the stock, what I'm doing at the moment, on whether or not I set my stop to break even and let it run the last 10%, or if I see a reversal signal, then I sometimes get all out. And it looks like I made a big mistake, got all out at this reversal signal, and here it is. It's below 110 right now today, as you can see. So I left a lot of money on the table with this trade. It kind of stinks. It stings to come back and see this, but whatever. But that was my AMD trade. This is my not so great trade today at WBA. It was on the gappers scanners this morning in the room. I do not typically like trading this particular stock, but at the open, the RVOL was really high. The volume was really high. I got stuck in this range right here that it was stuck in all morning. I kept wanting to take it as a breakdown, even though there were multiple signs that I should not have gotten in this quite yet. I mean, I ended up taking it short on what appeared to be like a double bottom here on the 1 minute. There was a wick to the bottom side of the first 5-minute candle. The candles were closing above this 44.60 level, which is a daily level I had marked. I mean, there were all kinds of signs to not take it short where I did. Luckily, I went ahead and got out at basically break even. I tried it again, and then I realized that I should not be taking these trades. I got immediately out and stopped trading it this morning. But I came back to do my recap, and I saw that it was putting up a pretty decent reversal signal. Most of you have heard that I really love to take reversals after a 15-minute hammer doji or shooting star doji, and that is what I did. I saw that it was making a double top on the 1 minute, as you can see right here on the 1 minute, and then you have this nice selling volume that came in at that double top. You have an engulfing 5-minute candle happen, and you have this doji, this this Shooting Star Doji. And then and I was waiting on the new low for the new 15-minute low. I took a very small size. I had my original stop was above this second top right here. As you can see, there was another doji. As the 9 and the 20 were curling down and crossing over, I took a small position, and then I added to my position once again right here. And I was able to pretty much hold through this bit of a pullback right here. Because I took such a small position, it did go beyond where I was going to stop out. My stop was above this doji candle right here. And it did push up through there. But because this is not good practice, but because I had a smaller share size, I felt like I could hold through that little pullback. I was able to get some good, nice partials down through VWAP, and then it came back and stopped me out at break even. And then I saw that it did, while I was doing this recap, it put a really nice double top on the 15-minute. You have two Shooting Star Dojis here with a new low. Anyhow, those were my trades for the day. I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to ask any questions below. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.